Welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering a very important chapter, Structural Organization in Animals from Class 11 Cert. This chapter explains how animals, including humans, are made up of different tissues and organ systems. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, easy-to-revise understanding of the whole chapter. So, let's begin. 1. Levels of organization. Animals show different levels of organization. Cell level, like in sponges. Tissue level, in cnidarians, Hydra. Organ level, in flatworms. Organ system level, in higher animals like humans, cockroach, frog. Organ system may vary in complexity, e.g. open versus closed circulatory system, incomplete versus complete digestive system. 2. Animal tissues. The chapter focuses mainly on animal tissues, divided into 4 types. A. Epithelial tissue. Forms covering/lining of organs. Cells are tightly packed with little intercellular space. Functions: protection, secretion, absorption, excretion. Types: simple epithelium, single layer, diffusion/absorption. Squamous epithelium, thin, flat, allows diffusion, lungs, alveoli, blood vessels. Cuboidal epithelium, cube-like, absorption/secretion, kidney tubules. Columnar epithelium, tall cells, absorption, intestine lining. Ciliated epithelium, with cilia, moves particles, fallopian tube, bronchi. Compound epithelium, multiple layers, skin, buccal cavity, pharynx, inner lining of salivary duct and pancreatic duct. Limited role in secretion and absorption. Functions: protection against chemical and mechanical stress. Specialized junctions. Tight junctions stop substance from leaking. Adhering junctions cementing to keep. Neighboring cells. Together. Gap junctions facilitate cells to communicate with each other. Connective tissue. Connects, supports, and binds organs. Components: cells, fibers, collagen, elastin, and matrix. Types: loose connective tissue. 1. Areolar tissue, present beneath the skin, serves as support for framework, contains fibroblast, macrophages, and mast cells. 2. Adipose tissue, fat storage, insulation. Dense connective tissue. 2 types. 1. Dense regular connective tissue. Bone to muscles connected by tendons. Bone to bone connected by ligaments. 2. Dense irregular connective tissue, contains fibroblast and many fibers, mainly collagen, present in skin. Specialized connective tissues. Cartilage, solid and pliable, cells of this tissue chondrocyte present in small cavities. Cartilage vertebrates of embryo are replaced by bones in adults. Cartilage present in tip of nose, outer ear joints, limbs, and hands in adults. Bone hard and non-pliable, rich in calcium salt and collagen, bone cells osteocytes present in space called lacunae. Blood containing red blood cells RBC, white blood cells WBC, platelets fluid connective tissue, transports gases, nutrients, wastes. Muscular tissue. Long cylindrical fibers arranged in parallel arrays, fibers composed of many fibers called myofibrils. Responsible for movement. Types: skeletal muscle, voluntary, striated, multinucleated, attached to bones. Example: biceps. Smooth muscle is involuntary, spindle-shaped/fusiform, uninucleated, no striation. Example: walls of internal organs. Cardiac muscle, involuntary, striated, branched, only in heart, uninucleated, intercalated disc. Example: heart. Nervous tissue. Made of neurons, the unit of neural system are excitable cells. Supporting cells, neuroglia. Neuroglia cells make up more than 1/2 of the volume of neural tissue in our body. Structure: cell body, cyton, dendrites, axon. Function: transmission of impulses. Cockroach. A major part of insert focuses on cockroach anatomy, as an example of an insect. Morphology. Belongs to phylum Arthropoda. Body, segmented, covered with chitinous exoskeleton. Color, brown, reddish-brown. Size, 3 to 5 centimeters. Body divided into. Head is triangular, compound eyes, antennae, biting and chewing type mouthparts, labrum, mandibles, maxillae, labium, hypopharynx. Thorax, 3 segments, each with a pair of legs. 2 pairs of wings, forewings, tegmenta, leathery, hindwings, membranous. Abdomen, 10 segments, last has anal cerci and anal styles, males. B. Digestive system. Divided into foregut, midgut, hindgut. Foregut, mouth, pharynx, esophagus, crop, storage, gizzard, grinding. Midgut, digestion, absorption with help of hepatic caeca. Hindgut, ileum, colon, rectum, anus, water reabsorption. C. Circulatory system. Open type, hemolymph, blood, flows in body cavity, hemicole. Dorsal heart with chambers pumps hemolymph. D. Respiratory system. Bitracheae with spiracles. Gas exchange via diffusion. E. Excretory system. Malpighian tubules remove nitrogenous waste, uric acid. F. Nervous system. Consists of segmentally arranged ganglia, connected by nerves. Brain, supraesophageal ganglion controls antennae, eyes. G. Reproductive system. Cockroach is dioecious. Male, testes, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, accessory glands, external genitalia. Female, ovaries, oviducts, genital chamber, spermatheca, ootheca formation, each ootheca with 16 eggs. Frog, structural organization in animals. Morphology of frog. Scientific name, Rana tigrina, Indian bullfrog. Belongs to class Amphibia, dual life, water plus land. Body form, streamlined, bilaterally symmetrical. Size, about 5 to 8 centimeters long. Color, olive green with dark patches, ventral side pale yellow. Skin. Smooth, moist, and rich in mucus glands. Permeable to gases important for cutaneous respiration. Lacks scales. Head. Large, triangular, with a wide mouth. Eyes bulging, covered by a nictitating membrane, protects underwater. A pair of nostrils opens into buccal cavity used in breathing. Tympanum, external ear, visible. Limbs. Forelimbs, shorter, used for support while sitting. Hind limbs, long, muscular, webbed digits adapted for leaping and swimming. Sexual dimorphism. Male frogs have vocal sacs, for croaking during breeding. Males have a copulatory pad at the base of forelimbs for clasping females. Anatomy of frog. 1. Digestive system. Alimentary canal, mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, intestine, rectum, cloaca, cloacal aperture. Buccal cavity. Upper jaw, fixed. Lower jaw, movable. Teeth, homodont, acrodont, polyphyodont. Tongue, bifid, forked, sticky, used to capture insects. Digestive glands. Salivary glands absent. Gastric glands in stomach secrete HCl and pepsinogen. Liver secretes bile, stored in gallbladder, emulsifies fats. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice with enzymes, amylase, trypsin, lipase. Digestion, carbohydrates, glucose, proteins, amino acids, fats, fatty acids, and glycerol. Absorption, in intestine by villi. Egestion, undigested food passes out through cloaca. 2. Respiratory system. Frogs respire by 3 methods. Cutaneous respiration, through skin, major and water. Buccopharyngeal respiration, through buccal cavity lining. Pulmonary respiration, via lungs, mainly on land. Lungs, small, sac-like, thin-walled, richly supplied with blood vessels. 3. Circulatory system. Type, closed, double circulation, like higher vertebrates. Heart, 3-chambered, 2 auricles plus 1 ventricle. Blood circulation. Right auricle deoxygenated blood, from body. Left auricle oxygenated blood, from lungs/skin. Ventricle pumps mixed blood to body. Arteries and veins well developed. Blood, RBCs are nucleated, unlike mammals. 4. Excretory system. Excretory organs, paired mesonephric kidneys. Each kidney ureters cloaca. Type of excretion, ureatelic, excretes urea. 5. Nervous system. Divided into central, peripheral, and autonomic nervous system. Central nervous system, CNS. Brain plus spinal cord. Brain parts. Forebrain olfactory lobes, cerebrum, diencephalon. Midbrain optic lobes. Hindbrain cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Sense organs. Eyes with nictitating membrane. Tympanum, hearing. Olfactory receptors, smell. Lateral line organs, in tadpoles. 6. Reproductive system. Frogs are dioecious, male and female separate. Male system. Testes attached to kidneys vas deferens cloaca. Female system. Ovaries, oviducts cloaca. Fertilization, external, in water. Development, indirect egg tadpole, larva, with gills, metamorphosis adult frog.